From permafrost in the Arctic Circle to Namibia's burning heat, fire and ice, the GLK was forced to prove its worth. Sweden, 24 degrees Celsius below zero. Ideal conditions for the Mercedes-Benz engineers to put their latest development, the thoroughly camouflaged GLK, through the hardest tests.
Hier im arktischen Winter.
Here in the Arctic winter, the road conditions can change from snow to ice to open tar seal within a fraction of a second, and that is naturally extremely demanding for our control systems. Early morning, before the working day begins, the load-bearing ability of the ice is checked, because most of the tests take place on a frozen lake. The testing conditions are always identical here, which provides for comparable results. The safety of the entire course is checked with the help of an echo sounder. The slalom is one of the standard tests in which engineers examine the various control systems. Another test causes a mighty stir. The simulated snowstorm must not block the engine's air supply, because when the motor draws less air, it delivers less performance. Test successfully passed. At the end of a hard day of testing in the white hell, all of the vehicles are thoroughly checked in the workshop in order to prepare them for yet more tests. The demand? Robust and reliable, even under Arctic winter conditions. From Sweden's icy cold to Namibia's burning heat, the GLK also has to face the extreme terrain here. Above all, the 4MATIC all-wheel drive and the 4 ETS traction control system are put to the test. Namibia offers the test drivers a diverse range of terrain types, ranging from desert to rocky landscapes. We are now testing our ETS on this rocky track. That is our traction control system, which our colleagues in Sindelfingen have optimized even more, and which we can really put to the test here. There are a number of places where we can test the control system extremely well. Torture for the technology. This is why the vehicles in Africa are regularly checked and prepared for testing on the hardest terrain. These two-legged inhabitants of Namibia are completely unimpressed by the engineers' hard work. Though they know nothing about all-wheel drive, the GLK does. Its greatest challenges are the deep sand and the extreme temperatures. Before these tests can begin here, the composition of the ground is recorded using a standardized procedure. Through the desert, those who make their mark here are prepared for any situation. Hard and soft, cool and hot. The GLK has the character for every extreme.